Let's see, put my foot on this because I got to hold the button down. And oh, wrong way. Yes, you got to heat things up with a torch. Forget your PB blaster crap. And I need another hand here. Bet they didn't think of that when they invented YouTube, huh? Look at that. Wow. Where is it? Hang on a second. Where am I? There we are. Eventually it'll focus. Junk. Now I have another problem in that I can't replace this bushing. You're not supposed to put a nylon bushing here like I did on the inside because it breaks the plate because it doesn't have enough flex. But look at that bushing. That is junk. And these have to be installed by a machine. So I'm going to have to put it all back together. This is really hard to install because it's twisted. Put it all back together and then get a new strut arm that's been rebuilt. What a waste. Oh well.